Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we are going to prove this given trigonometric identity. As you can see over here, let's look at this identity. We got on the left hand side 1 minus 2 cosine square theta is divided by sine theta times cosine theta, and we are going to prove that this is equal to tangent theta minus cotangent theta. So let's get started with the proof, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's focus on the left hand side of this equation. So I'm going to write down the left hand side of this equation, and here I have just copied it down over here, and let's go ahead and focus on the numerator. This numerator could be written as 1 minus 2 cosine square theta could be written as cosine square theta minus cosine square theta divided by sine theta times cosine of theta. And now let's recall this famous trigonometric identity, sine square theta plus cosine square theta equals to 1. Let me go ahead and move this cosine square theta on the right hand side. That means this is going to become sine square theta equal to 1 minus cosine square theta. Let's revert back our attention on the left hand side over here, and we can see that this 1 minus cosine square theta, this part, I can replace this one by sine square theta, and so this is going to become sine square, this part, sine square theta minus cosine square theta divided by sine theta times cosine theta in the denominator. And now we can write this fraction as sine square theta divided by sine of theta times cosine of theta minus cosine square theta divided by sine of theta times cosine of theta by using this simple rule. And in this next step in the numerator, this sine square theta could be written as sine theta times sine theta, and likewise cosine square theta could be written as cosine theta times cosine of theta, and the denominators are same. And now we can see that this sine theta and this sine theta, they cross each other out, and likewise this cosine theta and this cosine theta, they are gone. So these fractions could be simplified to sine theta divided by cosine theta minus cosine theta divided by sine theta. And now let's focus on this table, these trigonometric ratios. We know that sine theta divided by cosine theta equals to tangent theta. So that means, say, sine theta divided by cosine theta, I can write as tangent theta, and then minus, likewise, cosine theta divided by sine theta can be written as cotangent theta. So that means this could be written as negative cotangent theta. And now we can see this right hand side is same as the right hand side of this given equation. So thus we have proven that this left hand side is indeed equal to the right hand side. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.